Hi there mga kabudol! Welcome back to my channel, Jeng's Review Corner. So nandito ako ngayon sa 4th Avenue dito sa BGC. So na-invite nga tayo ng The Food Market Manila to try their midnight breakfast buffet. So mga kabudol, itong ang midnight breakfast buffet nila is available from Tuesday to Sunday every 12 midnight to 6 a.m. It's 499 pesos per head and eat all you can na siya guys ha. O diba ang bongga, and you can stay up to 2 hours. So mga kabudol, itry na natin yung mga food nila. Pasok na tayo, let's go! Wow! Ang ganda ng loob niya guys. Aww. Tapos ang bango-bango dito guys ha, in fairness. At saka ang lamig. I love it. Ang ganda ng mga tables nila and okay na okay din yung space. Ang daming food na pagpipilian, kaya for sure may magugustuhan ka dito. Hala guys, mukhang masarap lahat. Eat all you can to, kaya talagang go lang ng go. Syempre, halos lahat titikman ko, di ba? Para sulit. Wow! Grabe, bonggang-bonggang breakfast talaga to guys. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang egg sa breakfast. Favorite ko yan. Siyempre, hindi ko rin papalagpasin itong champurrado with tuyo. Oh my God, ang sarap niyan. Mahilig ka ba sa bread? This is perfect for you. Aww. Wow! Siopaw anyone? I wanna try their pancakes. Syempre masarap kapag may butter and honey. O diba? Bongga! Try din natin tong kasaba and pudding. You can also create your own salad. O diba guys, very healthy. Perfect din for breakfast ang lugaw, kaya meron din sila niyan. Gawa tayo ng Caesar salad. Oh my God, gustong gusto ko to guys. Aww. In all fairness, everything looks fresh. Meron din silang pandan or buko juice. Or kung gusto mo naman, milk chocolate or coffee. Kuha din tayo ng cereal. Favorite ko to nung bata ako eh. Wow! O, diba? Love it! Kain na tayo mga kabudol. Sana maubos ko lahat to. In fairness mga kabudol, ang sarap ng food nila, as in super, this is a complete breakfast experience, as in panalo talaga to. I really love their champurrado, at saka yung corned beef nila guys, sobrang sarap, winner na winner. Nakakatuwa kasi this is not your usual buffet, kasi di ba midnight siya magi-start up to 6 AM. So usually di ba ang buffet or eat all you can is laging lunch, yan, ganyan, tapos for dinner. But this time, kahit madaling araw, you're good to go. As in, mabubusog ka dito guys. So, this is perfect kapag graveyard shift ka, tapos you're within the area, punta ka lang dito kung gusto mong kumain ng masarap. And one more thing guys, I really love the ambience. As in, super chill lang, ang sarap habang kumakain ka. So, punta kayo talaga dito. I really recommend this place. They also have a second floor. You can eat there if you like.
Hello everyone! We're inviting you to come and visit our midnight buffet breakfast only here at the Food Market Manila, BGC. See you soon!
You may also like their Facebook page for more updates. Okay guys, grabe, sobrang nabusog ako. Ang sarap ng mga food talaga nila guys, in fairness. So yun mga kabudol, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood nitong video na to and meron kayo na-discover na bagong masarap na kainan dito sa BGC, dito sa 4th Avenue. And syempre mga kabudol, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Jeng's Review Corner, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga bagong videos na ilalabas ko. Again, thank you so much, The Food Market Manila, for inviting me. Sa uulitin po. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Ingat tayo palagi. God bless. And remember, stay cute!